The flood-ravaged KwaZulu-Natal communities are focusing on rebuilding their homes following the recent devastation in that province. People living particularly in informal settlements say leaving those areas is not an option, despite the risks that many currently face. Newzroom Afrika's Mawande Kheswa reports.
The Quarry Road informal settlement in Durban is just one of the many communities that were devastated by the recent floods. And according to Premier Sihle Zikalala, in his media briefing yesterday, more than 100,000 people are affected by the floods.
Abasimkele mfowethu uko konke izindlu zethu zihambile asinama ID asinama card asinalutho nje sewubona nje
njengoba nje abanye abantu bengenayo nje indawo yokulala abanazo ingubo abanandawo yokulala abanakudla.
But with 435 confirmed deaths, 54 people still unaccounted, thousands of collapsed and flooded houses, most residents are reluctant to leave this area near the Durban city centre.
Ukwakho kwabantu athi ubona nje abantu bematasa kuukuthi ngeze sikwazi ukuhlala sonke sisesontweni. Manje lezi zinto ezisindile ezincane ingakho abantu bevusile bakwazi babendawo zokucuba.
However, they are now living in fear and are haunted by the sound of rain.
Njengoba siye sangenelwa amanzi kwanethi izimvula kwagcina sekunezikhukhula ezigcine zeqa ibridge kwahamba izindlu eziningi zabantu.
While the community's cries of being relocated are valid, it may be an uncomfortable wait as the provincial government needs 1.9 billion rand to complete its work of rebuilding. The province says it expects to relocate flood victims from as far back as 2017, by the latest in 2024. For Newzroom Afrika Channel 405, I'm Mawande Kheswa in Durban.